can't read your ebooks in peace because Apple Books get stuck on a page? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the solutions. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. To do this, hold the power button and the volume up or down button together for a few seconds, and this menu will pop up. Next, slide the power button that says Slide to Power Off, and your iPhone will restart on its own. Once on, just check if the issue is solved. Solution 2. Reinstall Books. For this one, open Settings again, then tap General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now find Books and tap on it. Next, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete App again. Now close Settings and open up App Store. Search for Apple Books, then download it. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. First, open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings once more. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you can fix Apple Books stuck on page on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.